Temporomandibular joint pain, TMJ pain, jaw pain can be so exhausting. I'm Dr. Jamie West, and that's something that I hear often from patients in my office that are dealing with that. You see, it's a major part of our practice. But why is it so exhausting? If you've ever had it, and that's actually the reason why I became a chiropractor, or why I first sought out a chiropractor, is it's pain. It bothers you when you talk. It bothers you every time that you take a bite of something. I even found myself waking up in the middle of the night with pain. Instead of sleeping 8 hours, which is what we're supposed to, we wake up with pain. Or we wake up from that deep sleep into that light sleep, and we may only be getting 5, 6, 4 hours of sleep, and that's not restorative. It's not going to heal you. So it can be exhausting. So if we're not getting that sleep, that goes on to affect those that we love. It affects the ones that we share a bed with our spouse, because we're tossing and turning, getting up and down because we don't feel good. That wakes them up. And then what happens to our kids? What happens when we're so exhausted because we're not getting sleep that we start to get snappy or short with them? It's not their fault. What happens with those that work with us, where we can't think because we're so exhausted, or we're so tired of dealing with the pain, and we've been to our dentist, we've been to an orthopedic or an orthodontist, we've been to oral surgeon. They just give us appliances or muscle relaxers, and that's not helping. It's time to seek out a different solution, especially when it's affecting your sleep, when it's affecting your relationships, when it's affecting those that you love, when it's affecting more than you. You see, pain's not a normal thing. It's common. A lot of people have it. But should we have it? No. Pain's not a normal thing. So if it's affecting you, if you find yourself snapping, if you find yourself waking up, if you're having to change the way that you eat, it's affecting your relationships, it's time to get help. You need to give us a call. We'll check out the jaw, we'll check out the muscles, we'll check out the curve of the spine, because we know that they're all related. And guys, this comes from the dental association, not from the chiropractors. But when you start addressing those things, that's when you start seeing relationships restored. You can start to sleep again. You don't have to think about, is what I'm gonna eat, is that gonna make my jaw pain worse? If you have to talk a lot for your job, if you're a teacher, if you're a speaker like me, if you're a doctor, that starts to affect that jaw, because it moves all the time and it starts to hurt. It's time to get it fixed. It's time to get it corrected once and for all, because I too once had that problem, but you know what? No more. I got it fixed. I learned how to treat it in patients so that I can help others just like me, because hey, I've been there firsthand and I understand. It almost got to the point where I was having to blend my own food. That's not a place to be. So give us a call. We look forward to taking care of you, getting it fixed once and for all. No more pain meds, no more muscle relaxers, no more appliances that you wear at night. See you guys soon.